decided I'm building an apartment right here. So to start out, first what I need to do is I need to remove all these angle braces. But obviously they're holding something up. You can tell that this board was original and this one's been added. So my guess is that at some point the roof started sagging and someone came in and put these braces down. They kicked down to a nice solid wall that runs the entire length of the whole house. They did that to stop the roof from sagging. So in order to make it so it doesn't sag when I pull these out, what I've done is built essentially a truss. So I have zigzag braces going across the whole thing, so they go from a bearing point down there to a bearing point down there, and they'll hold this whole thing from sagging. These were added not by me, but what they do is they essentially stop the floor joist, well, what will become the floor joist, which is actually the ceiling from downstairs. They stop that from sagging. So that was probably another issue that was fixed, not with the original stuff, but later on. First step was to essentially build a truss from a bearing point down there to a bearing point right here. This isn't meant to carry the entire roof load, it's only meant to stop it from deflecting a little bit, both the roof and what's going to become the flooring. These three supports can totally be replaced by this little half truss that I have here, because it'll take the weight of all three of them onto here and go at an angle right into the wall where it's not going to push the wall over. I'll probably need to add some more vertical supports down here. But that's pretty much it. That's about it for this. I'm really excited about this project. I've been looking forward to this for quite some time. I wanted to build a casita in my last house. This is a much better option. There's no reason you can't do the same if you have a little space in your house, and I'll show you how I do it, so hopefully you can learn what I did wrong and figure out everything along the way. Thanks for watching.